All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to play It's Raining. First, let's clap the rhythm. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. That is step one. Step two is I go in and I point to each note and I say the name of the note. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Now that's step two. So now I'm gonna do step three, which is gonna be combining step one and step two together. So I'm gonna do the rhythm and say the notes. Ready, and G, 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 E, A, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, G, E. And I said G 2 times on every half note because it gets 2 beats. Now I'm going to finger the notes. And we're going to get a close-up video on how to finger. So here we go. G, 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 E, A, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, G, E. And you have to move those fingers fast for those 8th notes. E, A, okay? And that was the 4th step. So the 5th step is when we play. Here we go. And notice my fingers covered and I didn't squeak. And if we take a look over here at our Fab 5 poster, if you do squeak, this is how you fix that. Change your airspeed, check thumb hole on back, and flatten your fingers to cover. All right, so that is It's Raining. That's a 4th grade green belt. I hope this helps you and that you will earn your belt the next time you come to music class.